Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, my friend. This is your Chef Shaikh here again. Today recipe is a French toast recipe, and with the French toast we're making a sweet dish. So I will show you how to make a French toast, and then how to make a sweet dish with the French toast. So it will be two recipe, you can say, in this video. Before I start making this sweet dish, I will tell you my ingredient, and my ingredient will be end of the video as well. So if you miss something, you can catch it from end of video. Okay, shall we start? Okay guys, first of things, I got some brioche bread I'm using. If you don't have a brioche bread, you can use a ordinary bread as well. And I got some condensed milk, I got double cream, I got some mixed fruit. I'm using a tinned fruit, and if you can use a fresh, you can use fresh. And I got some peach slices as well here. I got 4 eggs, and got sugar, salt, pistachio and almond. This pistachio and almond, I'm gonna use pistachio and almond for garnish. And I got milk here, and I got this 4 eggs. So shall we start now? So guys, yeah, so first thing I'm gonna use for egg, I'm using 4 eggs. I got about 10 slices, so this will be, and make sure don't put shell in there. You don't like a shell if it comes while you're eating. But this one will be slightly different. Well, I'm gonna soak bread in egg and milk. Okay, and I got 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay. And I'm using just pinch of salt. I'm gonna mix this. And now I'm gonna add some milk in there. Okay. Okay guys, this is ready, my mixture. I just mix sugar in there nicely. Should be okay. Okay, I'm gonna put this bread on here. Okay guys, I'm gonna dip this in there. Okay, I'll put this on one side. Okay guys, now I'm gonna put this all to let this soak. Okay, so I'll put this on one side. Okay guys, now I'm gonna fry this. Okay friend, now I put a little bit butter on the fry pan, and I'm gonna fry this until it get a little bit golden brown on from both sides. Check on the bottom. Yeah. Just gonna golden on this side as well, little bit. Okay, this one is ready. This should be okay as well. I will put another two. Okay guys, I'm gonna place bread in there. Okay guys, this is ready. I will put this on one side. Okay. So now I'm gonna mix I got double cream. It's 800 gram. I got condensed milk. It's about 300 gram. I'm gonna mix this all together. Okay, and I'm gonna use some milk. Okay guys. Okay, I'll move this on one side. So you can see what I'm doing. Okay. Okay guys, I shifted some in this pan. Yeah, I'm gonna put some milk in there as well. Just gonna mix. Okay, so I'm gonna put this top of that. Now I'm gonna blend this. I'm gonna make it. Yep, it's thick enough now. Okay guys, now I'm gonna put this fruit on top of that. It's in juice, fruit juice, and I'm gonna use little bit fruit juice as well. Okay. I'm gonna put some sliced peaches on there. Okay guys, now I'm gonna pour this on top of that. Okay guys, I got some pistachios here. I'm gonna put this on top here. Okay, I got some almond as well. Okay guys, this is ready. So I'm gonna leave this in the fridge for get settled and cold. So when it's ready, then I'm gonna take it out in a dish. Okay guys, this is my dish ready, and this is French toast with fruit cocktail. So what do you think about it? It's very nice, very tasty, and you should try this and let me know what you think about it. So friend, I hope you like this recipe, and you will get this different recipe every week. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel, and please press the bell button. And if you got any questions, please ask me any questions, so I will be happy to answer you. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any question, just type the question in comment, so I will be happy to give you an answer. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Here is this ingredient for this recipe. Thank you.